This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Great 4-bedroom home that has just been freshly painted and brand new carpet installed throughout. Isolated master bedroom with relaxing master bath. Secondary bedrooms are of good size with great closet space. Easy maintainable backyard with covered patio. Comfortable living space with open kitchen concept. All appliances to stay with the home. Minutes from Shepherd Air Force Base and easy commute to schools. A great home awaits. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.